Hello and welcome. In this video, we create freeze frame clone in Premiere Pro. Find the frame you want and click on the camera icon to export the frame. Go to plus if you don't have access to it and drag and drop it to edit. Click on the camera icon, use the PNG format and import the frame into the project. Drag and drop the frame, then decrease its size. Right-click on the frame, edit in Photoshop. Go to the window menu and select Properties. Click on Remove Background, or you can do it manually. Press Ctrl S to save and go back to Premiere. As you can see, it's create a clone. Let's repeat the process to create another one. Click on the camera icon again, use the PNG format. Create a frame, drag and drop it, decrease the size, right-click, edit in Photoshop, remove the background, and save. Then return to Premiere. You can repeat these steps to create as many clones as you want. And that's it for our tutorial. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.